All the beans I got. I gotta drive this to work on Monday. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. It's time to start building our dream. So we've had the Clayton Off-road suspension system for well over 2 years. We had it on a white Jeep Gladiator, now it's on Project Rampage. Clayton Off-road makes some really durable parts, and I want to say it's probably the strongest Overland lift kit you can get on the market, especially for the Jeep Gladiator. So one of the weak areas on the Jeep Gladiator is actually the rear sway bar. As you add 37, 38, 39, 40-inch tires, all that mass and unsprung weight creates extra strain on that sway bar. Some people will upgrade to the Hellwig sway bar. I've never actually had an issue with the Clayton Off-road, but what happens sometimes is that factory mounting bracket will begin to crack and then spread, and then you got to re-weld it. This is going to be a reinforcing bracket, and then this is from Clayton Off-road. Wells and stacked dimes don't really get much better than this. The powder coat is throughout, you know, even inside the C here, and that's going to make your kit last a long time. Now there's other brands on the market, but from Clayton Off-road, this is their solution. Laser cut and finished, and again 100% American made, and these are pretty easy to bolt in. They provide you with a new bolt to go through here to your sway bar end link, and this will keep you from cracking that part of your frame where that little tab is on the back, and I'll show you guys that when we get in there. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Again, I get to share my dream with you, but the true purpose of this channel is to help inform, motivate, inspire you guys to get out there and start building your dreams. Take this tab loose. Next one we want to take loose is our end link itself. And we want to switch to a 13 mil. Guys, the easiest way to put this back together is you're going to use a spacer on each side. So you'll use a spacer, our end link, another spacer, and that assembly is going to bolt through your bracket. All right guys, so once you got your spacer, end link, spacer, you're going to start putting this bolt in loosely. And they do give you a nut in case you need it. Start our 10 mil up here. Just want, again, you want to start everything loose, then you're going to tighten it up. Start everything loose. Got that one started. You got a good couple threads on each of them, and we can run them down. So with our 13 millimeter, go till it stops. Go till it stops. We're going to run this one down tight. All right, got that tight. That's not going anywhere. And now we can take our 10 mil, run our brake line retaining cable bracket back down. Our brake line cable bracket. It's as easy as that. Guys, I'm going to try to do this side real quick. This side we got the exhaust, whereas on the gas engine, the exhaust is on the other side. Take our 13 mil. This one might be a little bit tricky with the exhaust here. Either that or the exhaust might actually help us out. But we gotta start by running our bolt through here. Spacer. Run our bolt through our end link. Put your other spacer in. All right, now we got our bolt assembly fully together. And ideally you'd want to be parked on flat ground. May just have to wiggle it around, get it in there started. Alright guys, so there's a finished product right there. We got our new bracket in. As you flex out the Jeep, it's not going to have any issues. Got our other bracket over here on this side. Everything's snugged up and it's good to go. Alright guys, so it's only going to take you about 20 to 30 minutes to install those brackets. That's going to keep you from messing up your frame where the sway bar connects to it. A lot of times those will open up over time, crack, and then somebody's got to go in there, weld it, put a new bolt in, and it's just a hassle. So if you want to prevent that from happening, the Clayton brackets are less than 100 bucks. I think they're like 99 online. Every once in a while they do have sales. Again, Clayton's been a great partner in the channel. We had it on our white Jeep. We transferred it from the white Jeep, took it off before we traded it in, bolted everything back up here, swapped out to the diesel coils, redid the rear brake lines, and then we've got some front brake lines we're going to do at another time. We may or may not make a video on that, but definitely want to show you those, because when you drop down the suspension, especially with the 3.5-inch kit, you're really maxing out those factory brake lines. And if you get a long arm kit, you're definitely going to want the added travel of the extended brake lines. Once again, huge thanks for you guys watching. Thanks to Clayton Off-road for helping out with the channel. Once again, I could share my dream with you, but the true purpose of this channel is to help inform, motivate, and inspire you to get out there and start building your dreams. We'll see you guys on the trail.